All right, so your battery died in your 2013 Focus, right? And you're going like, damn, dude, what do I do? So I'm gonna pretend like I just opened the hood for you real quick. Open the hood, right? Oh, damn. What do I do with all this plastic crap? Oh, let me reenact that real quick. Hold on one second. Let me put this back on. Get this going. Okay. Get that. Get this. Bolts on. Where's my battery at? My battery's right here. You just pull this off. I'm gonna lift up from the sides. Actually, I'll do it legit. This is kind of cheap. I'll do legit. See these tabs right there? It's just sitting in these tabs. It's not a big deal. It doesn't really need it. Matter of fact, if you stick a look at it, just get rid of the whole thing. Tab right there. See the arrows? Arrows. You just gotta pull up, pop it off, throw it in the bushes. Get that one there, same thing. Except for when it's really attached, you want to see it like this. It's going to be a little nicer than this. It's going to be sitting in that tab. And there's two little ones in the back. You can kind of see them in the back. I'm going to zoom in for you. Zoom in right there. There's one tab. See right there? There's another tab. Right there. Oh, there's only one. Looks like. Oh, either way. A couple tabs here. Get this thing out of the way. Don't just let any of this plastic stuff scare you. The battery's right there. You got negative, positive. I just swapped it back in. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna pop that thing out and just pull it out. It's fine. Next thing, you got a 10 millimeter bolt right there. That's your negative side. You got a 10 millimeter there for the battery hold down. It stretches across here. 10 millimeter bolt right there. And a 10 millimeter bolt for your positive. Now, do the negative first. Get that out the way. Pull this up. This whole assembly comes off. Lay it right here. Or, yeah. Then you got your positive. Positive right there. Take that off. After you get the crossover bar here for your battery hold down. Put that up here. Put up the two bolts up here for the 10s. 10, 10 up here. Crossbar up here. 10 millimeter obviously stays on that because it's the post. So put it here. Now comes the complicated part. Getting the battery out of the body here. Don't be afraid of this plastic. It all moves. All this stuff moves. See what I mean? It all moves. All this stuff moves. So if you got to get a little aggressive, tilt the battery up, come from the side, get a hander there, and then get another hander here, and hoist the battery up like this, and then pull it out like you're giving birth to a battery. And that's it. Slide another one back in, clean the contacts off on the backside here, tighten that 10 millimeter down. I used one of these bad boys, just a little 1/4 inch socket, a set I bought for 12 bucks. You know, tighten that up, tighten these up, and let's get the power back on. What do you know? Back in business, folks. Car's back on. Let's just turn this thing on. I'll tighten it down a little bit before I turn it back on. And that's it, man. You're good to go. Slide the covers back on, and you got a new battery. This stupid crap. There we go. That's what I was looking for. A couple recesses for these wires here. I don't know. Who cares? Got a new battery. These cases are garbage. Anyway, new battery for your 2013 Ford Focus.